The fact that we are able to meet today is a testament to the government of Fiji's exceptional COVID response. As I've said before, they took tough decisions and they took them early, and as a result, we're now starting to emerge from this dreadful outbreak. Us all able to move around more freely, and hopefully from 1st of December we'll be deluged with excited Australian tourists. Many small businesses have told us what a relief it's been for them to be able to reopen and see customers walking through their doors again. I know that small businesses have been especially hit by the COVID-19 pandemic, and that the last 18 months have been especially tough. As part of our broader COVID-19 development response, we're looking at what more we can do in partnership with the private sector and of course with the government of Fiji to support small businesses as the country starts to recover from the pandemic. And in this context, I'm delighted to be here with you, Minister, to launch this co-working space. I hope it will provide many small businesses with a home and a community of support to help them innovate and to collaborate in the new operating environment. I was especially taken by the beanbags up front. Today's opening is the culmination of a significant amount of work, and I want to thank all of those who were involved.
It gives me great pleasure to join you all this evening to be part of the Greenhouse Studio's success, which I understand began in a second bedroom of its founders, Maria's flat with only 2 clients. And 7 years later, we're actually praising yet another accomplishment of the Greenhouse Studio, the Greenhouse Co-working, which is part of Maria's concept to provide a multidisciplinary, creative studio with innovative solutions that inspire change. Ladies and gentlemen, now more than ever, determined entrepreneurs like Maria and her team must be empowered to become active contributors in economic activity. And by empowering determined entrepreneurs, we're actually contributing to their capability to succeed, and providing a genesis, making a difference in society, and introducing a sense of independence and distinctiveness. Ladies and gentlemen, whilst the COVID-19 pandemic adversely impacted the global economy, our daily lives also have been severely affected. And at the same time, it became a strong driver for creativity and innovation. And a lot of it has occurred around Fiji that's not commonly known, but in our travels, and I'm sure John says the same thing. All over the world, we are seeing countries adapt with a shift in behaviour to support social distancing and supply chain solutions, etc. I'm actually told that Maria's sole quest now boasts over 50 clients, which is a wonderful achievement, and 9 full-time staff that continuously push individual boundaries and philosophies of knowledge and skills and expertise to motivate change. And you certainly have skinned the cat. Ladies and gentlemen, in 2017, the Greenhouse Studio began learning about co-working and workstation spaces, and considered as flexible digital nomads. And Maria and her team saw the potential of working spaces as a physical and living manifestation of this hub for other young professionals just like them. And I must say, such an idea is certainly fitting in the new norm that we're actually living in today. The team envisioned the co-working space as a place where local and visiting SMEs, like freelancers and creatives and startups and teams, can actually come and collaborate to find innovative solutions and also encourage each other, and most importantly, to grow. With all these great ideas, there has to be a helping hand and to further champion it. So I take my hat off, and I want to say thank you sincerely to the Australian government for strengthening our Uvale partnership. Thank you, John. And through the assistance that has actually been provided by the MDF as a shared vision to make real Maria's dream and her team's idea. By forming such a partnership, the MDF and the Greenhouse Studio are actually supporting MSMEs to adapt and welcome a new concept of strengthening the core of business development in Fiji and the strong points of resilience, agility and adaptability. And at this juncture, this is not the only thing that the Australian government has supported Fijians or the Fijian government with, and I really want to once again publicly say thank you to all the consistent help that we have achieved in terms of getting us to where we are today, especially during the pandemic. An investment of about $250,000 in the greenhouse co-working is now a modern concept which will open its doors from next week Monday, I think. Is that correct? Yes, from next week Monday. And this is a space which combines freedom of working for yourself and with the community, and the most important part of it is creativity. This actually co-working space issue is a very new concept, a new idea to Fiji. I've seen it around the world, but it's actually a new concept to Fiji and has some key advantages in such as the convenience of a location, and this is such a wonderful location. I don't think you can buy a better address. Networking opportunities also, and increased flexibility and in-office perks by way of amenities and meeting rooms and event spaces, etc. This means that we're actually opening our doors to business travelers also whilst they visit Suva with a ready and waiting premises, which is priced right and beyond the work from home concept, a concept we're all too familiar with due to the long period of us we've spent on our own during the pandemic. Whilst revenue also, ladies and gentlemen, has rapidly declined for this, fixed costs and overheads such as rent, etc., have actually remained. This particular greenhouse co-working space now provides the opportunity for businesses, and particularly MSMEs, to significantly reduce their overhead costs. And this means that as a business owner, you'll be able to retain more money and increase your chances of survival. I'm sure quite a few of the banks will be happy with all those that are part of this particular venture. Given the current economic conditions we are presented with due to COVID-19, it's essential that we continue to provide support and encourage all our young Fijians with innovative business ideas like Maria. And I'd like to encourage all young Fijians with unique and innovative business ideas to be decisive and invest in business ideas and be an active participant of economic development in our country. Ladies and gentlemen, and I once again wish to commend the team of the Greenhouse Studio, and a job well done, absolutely fantastic. Very, very proud to see this today after our conversation. And also, once again, a big vinakawagaleva to the Australian government and MDF for all their assistance and continued assistance. And we wish you all the best in your accomplishments in your business and success of Greenhouse Co-working. Thank you very much. Nawalew.